Natural light works the same as a studio light setup. It's the 3-point lighting setup that you're going to want to focus on. I'm going to show you how to find natural light inside a home when you're doing a property tour. Welcome to the tutorial on how we're going to find a natural lighting setup inside a home. When it's between the hours of 10 to 4, you want lighting sources to be even. You don't want it to be too bright, and obviously you don't want it to be too dark. I will show you this example of what a lot of people do is that they come this direction, and you see where there's shiny parts on my face opposed to when I'm here, not as many shiny spots on my face. That is the difference between the lighting setup that makes your video look more amateur than professional. Remember, the priority is to separate yourself from the backdrop. Now, using a natural lighting setup, that's you going by the window. You're able to get that separation as yourself being the subject from the backdrop. You're going to improvise a lot more when you're in a natural lighting setup because you don't have the rim light and you don't have the edge light lighting up my hair and the side of my face. Between the hours of 10 to 4 is the best time to shoot with a natural light setup. That means when you're talking on camera, go find a natural light source. It is a natural instinct to think that you want everything in the backdrop to be evenly lit like yourself, but when you use a smartphone, that's not the reality. What you're looking to do is either light yourself or light the backdrop. The preference is lighting yourself as the priority and the backdrop becomes secondary priority. This means the lighting priority is on you, not so much the backdrop.